Hello, my name is Hannah Knight and I come to you today as a member of the Employee Experience and Internal Policy Task Force. I come to you today to present a new procedure to our company that I believe will benefit us in the long run. As you know, in the recent months, we have been experiencing high employee turnover and a low employee productivity rate. I believe this procedure that I am implementing and suggesting will help with both of those issues. The procedure that I would like to implement is the review of all employees within 6 months. Every 6 months, we should conduct a review and have a conversation with our employee to keep them on track. The benefits of these employee performance reviews are discovering and eliminating roadblocks that may be in place that are keeping them from completing their job at a high efficiency. There may be, some things that we have in place that we don't realize are restricting our employees and that they can let us know about. We can also coach and follow up with our employees. If there are certain weaknesses that we are seeing with each individual employee, that is a great time to address it and, tell them what parts they may need a little push in and what parts they are doing really, really great in. This will also help with the productivity because if employees know that, we will be conducting these reviews every 6 months, they will know in their head that, okay, maybe I shouldn't be slacking off like maybe they have been in the past. And, they will just strive to be a better employee so that, these reviews end up positive for them. These will also help management see what employees are going to be good in the long run for our company and which employees may not make the cut. This will help with our employee turnover because then management can see earlier on, what employees are really going to be beneficial for us and what employees just may not be the best cut out for our business. People will say that these reviews will create an unfriendly and untrustworthy environment. But according to Business News Daily, employee performance reviews are important for every business, but their effectiveness depends on how they are conducted. And I believe if we conduct these interviews the right way, it will be a positive experience for everybody involved. These reviews should be, we should be clear about the intentions of our reviews. We don't want it to seem like we are just, staring down and watching the every move of our employees. We want this to be more of a check-in to see how they are doing, what we can do to improve, and we can give them feedback too on what they can do to improve or just thank them for overall doing a great job. This should also be more of a conversation, not just to sit down and I'm telling you what you're doing wrong or I'm telling you these things. I want to hear, it needs to be a two-way street. We can hear from them, what they like or what they don't like with our business, and we can do the same to them. These reviews will consist of an assessment of collaboration, communication, problem solving, and if they're able to meet deadlines. So there's not just one thing we are looking at. There's going to be a set, list of things that we are looking at and monitoring. So that way we can let them know what areas they might need to improve on or what areas they already really excel at. These reviews should also be conducted face-to-face. That way, we can, have a real conversation. I know some of our employees are hybrid employees, but according to BetterUp, face-to-face conversations reduces the amount of misunderstandings. And I believe this is a situation where we don't want to have a misunderstanding in. So I believe just for everybody involved, these reviews would be better off conducted face-to-face. And that way the employees know that we truly take time to care about them and sit down with them to have this conversation, because truly we do care about what they are thinking, and we want to take the time to give them the feedback that they deserve. I believe that these employee performance reviews will be beneficial for us in the long run, and according to Qualtrics, well-executed performance reviews boost employee engagement and set the tone for a culture of feedback and ongoing development, which is what we really want to create here within this company. Overall, I think that there are many, many benefits to having these employee reviews, and I think these benefits far outweigh the negatives. I believe that if these reviews are conducted well and in the right manner and the appropriate time, that these will be beneficial not just for us, but for our employees as well. So I really hope you take my idea into consideration, and I just thank you for your time today. Thanks.